Hi and welcome to OGAWA Maestro Disassembly video. This is important if your door is smaller than 82 centimeters. We will start with removing the side panel. There's only one screw holding the side panel. It is located down here. And when you take that off, you should be able to pull this side panel off like this. It is mounted with these clips. There's a lot of them, but they are straight to pull off. Sometimes you have to use a flat-headed screwdriver to get behind like this and undo it. Next up is the upper side panel. It is secured with 7 screws holding from here all the way down here. When they're off, you can also just pull this off. And again, it is held by these clips. The last side piece is the one up for the head piece. This is located with 5 screws, one here, one from behind here. You have to loosen this up to get to it, and the rest is located behind these block-offs. You may need a screwdriver, but there's one here, and there's one in here. When you have taken these off, you can pull out in this headpiece cover, and it will also pop right off. Now we will be taking this little side piece off. It's located here. And comes out like that. For the side of the chair, we have to remove a bit more. There's a screw down here, here, and here. These are normal screws. And there's a hex screw, 5 hex screws that holds it in place. There's one up here, and one here, one here, here, this, and this. Like this. The side cannot not fall off. There's a hinge on the back side, so it will just become loose like this. Next up, you have to remove the black rubber line. You have to remove the big connector here and the smaller one right down here. So these two. And it will be like this. In the rear, there is a connector. You also have to unplug. When that is done, you can take and lift this side off. Before you do that, you have to remember this one. That's a ground connector for the chair. Like this. For the other side, it's a bit different because the wires are not the same. The side itself is hold on to the chair the same way. Screw here, there, these points. You have to take the remote screen off, then you have to disconnect this plug and take it off like that. This. And pull all these wires out of the cable holders. Unplug this and this up here. Now the side is free to move away from the chair. The rear cover is held on by 6 screws. There's one up here, one in the other side, one here, and there. When that is removed, you can go on to removing the upper part. This part is secured with 2 screws from up here. Again, you have to put this aside so you can get to them. The other screws for this piece is located here, 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 and over here. The last big piece for the head side, the way you remove it, you have to unplug these two, like this. And then there's 3 screws on each side from the inside here. They are located like in a pattern, like this, and also in the other side. And the 2 last one is located up here. When you take these out, you can remove the whole assembly. This chair has been taken apart before, so that I have only put 1 screw in each side, just to demonstrate, but there's 3 on each side. And you should be able to undo it. It's a bit easier when that side is removed also, but it can be done. And then just the hoses, and it comes off in one piece like this.